Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off notifications on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. By turning off notifications, individuals can create a focused environment and reduce interruptions. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? First of all, please open Settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can select Notifications. Next, you can click More here to see all apps. Okay, and then please click down arrow and select all option. Well, after that, here you can turn off the notifications from the application you want. Or you can enable silent mode on your device by going to the control center. And then you can tap on this icon until it turns to silent mode. Okay, and then with the two ways above, you have turned off the notifications on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off notification on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.